Well, well, what a day, huh? Not a bad day all around the board, right? We had a nice day for GME. We had a nice day for AMC. We had, for the members that were following along with the plays this morning, we nailed both of them. So you should have a nice day there. GRWG saw the nicest day since sometime in June, and GDYN, although it was a modest gain of about 2 to 3%. So hey, can't complain. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the Fidelity calculator for tomorrow's trading day of 11/9. For GME AMC, we're going to do GRWG as well, just to take a look and see what we're looking at for tomorrow. And I wanted to see the 27.5 strike for that because they added it over the weekend, and I wanted to see the open interest on it after the update. So let's take a look at GameStop first, and take a look here at the options chain real quick. Okay. Okay, so it's looking a little bit more normal, kind of like what we were used to seeing, 2 weeks prior. Because last week, what we saw these puts out here, right, in the money for the put side, and over here on the call side, we saw very little resistance over here. So now we're looking to be stacked back up at the 220 mark for resistance, and for support, looking to be somewhere, hopefully 200 will hold, but if not that, then it looks like 190. And we have a little out at 180 as well. Yeah, IV's still low, though, despite the moves we've had. So it's good to see. Let's go with AMC as well now. AMC, I imagine it's going to be a similar situation, as always, right? And this is in part how they get them to move similar, right? They have similar setups in the options chain, relatively speaking. So yeah, similar setup here. Not much puts in the money out here. You have calls out of the money stacked up as resistance out here. You got a lot built up at 45. A quick look at the volume analysis may help as well correlate and corroborate this information. So, yeah, looking maybe back to some premium drain consolidation, but hey, all good, right? Now let's look at GRWG. Oop. I am not retarded. GRWG. I want to look at that 27.5 and 26.5. Let's see what the damage is. Okay. 27.5. Yeah, I knew, man. Yeah, that's it. So 27.5, there's no open interest, right? But right here at the $27 mark, we see some resistance set up. So I personally, after the run today, it moved so slow that I actually sold calls right here at this strike price for this Friday, just to gain like an extra $300 in premium. Had 300 shares, so I wrote 3 calls. So it is what it is. I expect to hold this play through earnings. Like this week is earnings. So tomorrow will be a big determination on what I decide to do with my position, because, again, today we saw a 14.9% increase, the biggest day we've seen in a while. And it could be a similar situation that we're seeing in the options chain for GME and AMC in regards to premium drain. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But now let's get to the probability calculator for these 3. And we'll go in reverse order. We'll start with GRWG and then make our way back. Oh, okay, hold on. Get the date. So yesterday it was an absurd 91% above, and then we of course see the biggest day we've seen since June. So props to the calculator on that one. For tomorrow, it's given us a 70.22% chance above and a 29.78% chance below for GRWG. And now we're going to look at AMC. Let's see what it is. Holy shit. Okay, so 11.03% chance to be above where we closed today, and a 88.97% chance to close below where we closed today at 45.06. Now let's go to GME. A little better. 41.24% chance to close above and a 58.76% chance below. Again, take it for what it's worth. It's just one aspect of decision making that goes into things. So don't use this entirely for decision making in the market. one facet of the many facets there are to look at. So anyways, have a good one.